Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply chrome on top of Nitro nails. We want to start off by putting on a coat of gel base. And cure that for 30 seconds. Next we want to put a coat of our desired base colour and then cure that for 30 seconds. Repeat with a second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Apply one layer of Nitro's non-cleansing gel top, which would also act as a base. And cure that for 30 seconds. Dip the finger into the pot of chrome colour and then using the chrome application brush, use the sponge end to rub the colour into the nail. This would leave the nail with a chrome mirror finish. Brush off all the excess powder around and under the nail. Apply a coat of Nitro's non-cleansing gel top. And cure that for 30 seconds. Repeat with a second coat of gel top. And cure it for a further 30 seconds. And there you have it, the perfect chrome finish.